That's not my day. I just drove a scooter and it broke in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, so someone is trying to help me with my scooter. Terima kasih. Everyone is helping. It's working. So helpful people.
Kali ini kita akan membahas sebuah fenomena yang seringkali membuat para wisatawan asing terpukau. Keramahan dan kesantaian masyarakat Indonesia. Bagi banyak orang yang terbiasa dengan kehidupan serba cepat dan individualistis di negara, ketika pesawat yang membawa seorang turis asing dari Eropa mendarat di Bandara Soekarno-Hatta, ia mengira kejutan terbesar yang akan ia alami di Indonesia adalah udara tropis yang hangat atau pemandangan alam yang eksotis. Namun ternyata yang membuatnya terdiam justru bukan gunung-gunung menjulang, pantai berpasir putih, atau hutan hijau yang mempesona. Yang membuatnya terkesan mendalam adalah satu hal sederhana, tapi langka. Sikap orang Indonesia yang santai dan ramah luar biasa.
Thank you, Yummy! Thank you so much! Wow. Uja. Terima kasih. Yes. Lagi deh ke situ. Ya. More? Iya.
You look so sweet.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Di tengah persaingan global dan tekanan ekonomi, masyarakat Indonesia tetap mampu mempertahankan nilai-nilai tradisional seperti keramahan, kesantunan, dan gotong royong. Hal ini menjadi daya tarik tersendiri bagi wisatawan asing yang mencari pengalaman otentik dan bermakna. Bagi banyak bule yang datang dari negara dengan ritme kehidupan serba cepat dan penuh tekanan seperti Eropa, Amerika, atau Australia, Indonesia terasa seperti pintu yang membuat banyak turis asing merasa diterima tanpa syarat.
I think obviously we've experienced different culture shock as we've been here a long time, but the first thing that I noticed was just how friendly people are. I mean, it wasn't exactly a shock, but I had already traveled around Southeast Asia, but still once I had gotten here, people were very, very open and very friendly. So in terms of first arriving in Indonesia and the first thing that I experienced that kind of took me by surprise was, oh, these people here are insanely friendly, friendlier than anywhere else I've been.
I didn't see that in Europe. Illegal? I don't know. Dangerous? Most likely. Helpful? Definitely. In Indonesia, that's one of the most important values, being kind and helpful.
Everybody in Indonesia treats the guest with respect and very well so that they feel welcomed, and indeed, I do feel welcomed and I do feel special for having that treatment. But part of me just wants to be a fly on the wall, and that's normally how I travel. I like to blend in with the environment that I'm in, because in my opinion that's the only way to see the true culture of where you're traveling, is to be that fly on the wall and not get the special attention. Of course, I'm so grateful for it and I cannot complain because it's been amazing, but part of me just wants to blend in. What do you guys think about that? I know that Indonesians take pride in their culture.
Perbedaan gaya hidup ini mencerminkan perbedaan nilai yang mendasar. Di negara-negara barat, kesuksesan seringkali diukur dari pencapaian materi dan produktivitas. Sementara di Indonesia, kebahagiaan lebih sering dikaitkan dengan hubungan sosial yang harmonis, spiritualitas, dan kemampuan untuk menikmati momen saat ini. Beberapa wisatawan asal Eropa misalnya bercerita bahwa ia tak pernah merasa diasingkan atau dicurigai selama berada di Indonesia. Ada orang yang langsung senyum, tanya saya dari mana dan bilang selamat datang. Itu bukan hal yang biasa di negara saya, ujarnya sambil tersenyum. Testimoni ini menyoroti pentingnya interaksi sosial yang positif dalam menciptakan pengalaman yang berkesan bagi wisatawan. Sapaan sederhana, senyuman, dan rasa ingin tahu yang tulus dapat membuat seseorang merasa diterima dan dihargai. Pengalaman itu bukan hanya sekedar sapaan di jalan.
Has some of the most friendly locals in the whole entire world. No matter where I've been welcomed into homes, said hello to on the street, asked where I'm from, told I'm beautiful. Like, they're just so nice and so welcoming. I can't even think of one time I've seen a local like angry or get mad at someone or even get mad at another local. While I'm just walking, people are saying hello off their motorcycles, just smiling and waving. The kids are so nice. Everyone is just so friendly. Even if you're just looking for someone to help you, someone will go more than out of their way to help you out and make sure you find where you need to go or get the help you need. The receptionists at the hostels are so kind, always making the stay even better than it would be without them. I just have to say, I think Indonesia has some of the nicest people in the world.
I just went to get 2 drinks this morning from this little Japanese cafe. I was going to pay with card, but the card machine wasn't working and I only had 100 in cash. It was 110 and I only had 100. I'm like, I'm really sorry, this is all I have. They're like, no worries, just bring the 10,000 back later. I'm like, sure? I mean, don't get me wrong, obviously I will, but the fact they're like, yeah, no worries, just come back and bring the rest of the money later, like whenever. It's like, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, imagine doing that in London, walking into like Pret or something, going, I'm really sorry, I'm like 50p short. They're like, bring it back later. Staying in Indonesia, and there really are no other tourists here, we just come from Bali. And like, it's so nice, everyone's just stopping and saying hi to us, like, checking our hand, being like, what's your name, where are you from? And it's like, have a good evening. It's so cute. It's so nice, like, everyone's so friendly in Indonesia anyway.
So friendly.
So yeah, so it's just like, we feel a bit like a celebrity, like everyone is saying hello. Like, wow.
Everyone wants to shake my hand.
Everyone wants to shake my hand. Yeah, it's really sweet.
Bagi mereka yang terbiasa hidup di kota besar dengan interaksi yang dingin dan terbatas, momen-momen seperti ini terasa seperti kejutan budaya yang menyenangkan.
Mister mau?
Oh, terima
Jatah
kasih.
saya.
Thank you.
Ya,
So-
jatah saya ini.
Terima kasih. Sangat ramah.
Ya.
Thank you.
Ya.
Jadi bisa makan bersama?
Boleh.
Boleh. Ya.
Boleh.
Thank you. Anda asal dari mana, brother?
Dari Jakarta. Saya dari Jawa.
Jawa. Di mana Jawa?
Jawa.
Jawa Timur.
Purworejo.
Oh, Purworejo.
Ya.
Sukabumi. Yuk, Sukabumi. Assalamualaikum.
Dari Makassar.
Tapi saya asal dari Garut.
Garut.
Cagu.
Oh,